When you make a new TikTok account, the first thing that happens is the algorithm reviews it to figure out if it's safe to push out your content. During this time, TikTok tracks and reviews a ton of different things, from your device, to your internet connection, to your screen size, to your time zone, and even how you behave in the app, among many other things. If any of those match a previously banned or suspicious account, your new account can get flagged before you even post a single video. If your videos aren't getting pushed out when you make a new account, it means TikTok doesn't trust that you post good content. To avoid this, don't post anything for at least a couple days on a new page. Scroll and interact with videos in your niche to warm up the account and prove TikTok that you're a real person. New accounts that post immediately with no prior activity can be flagged. TikTok, just like every other short form app, only cares about one thing: keeping people on the app for as long as possible, because more time in the app means more ads watched and more money made. So every single decision the algorithm makes comes from that one goal. When you post a video, that video goes through the content moderation system first, and then gets pushed to a cold test group of 200 to 500 people who already watch content like yours. TikTok tracks the completion rate, the replays, the shares, and how fast all that data comes in. If the video passes, it gets pushed to a wave around 5 to 10 times bigger and keeps expanding with every wave it clears. If it fails, it stops there. You shouldn't be posting too frequently because you might be hurting the algorithm and also risking audience fatigue. After your first 2 weeks of posting every day, study the video that performed the best. TikTok's telling you that concept worked the best, and now double down on that video. Different to how YouTube Shorts works, every TikTok video gets pushed to a fresh audience regardless of how your last one performed. If you get a video to go viral, it doesn't mean the next one will be shown to those same people and get guaranteed to have more views. What it does is you'll have more followers who are more likely to engage with your next video, because TikTok is more willing to show your content to your followers first. Once you reach 10k followers and 100k views in the last 30 days, you can now apply for the Creator Awards program. TikTok RPMs vary a lot. Advertisers will pay more money to have their ads being shown to richer viewers. So if you want the highest RPMs, you should be targeting first world countries, US. But it's pretty hard to get monetized if you can't think of content to make. So to help with that, I have a playlist on my channel of a bunch of viral short form niches. These are all niches that blow up on YouTube Shorts. You can easily move these niches from YouTube to TikTok, where they won't be saturated at all. So check it out. And if you want a free personalized channel review, join the Discord.